have some fun. You know, I'm not gonna tell you what we're gonna do. I'll meet you guys there. I'll put me up a good old lemonade before we hit this journey. I'm gonna go have some fun, guys. This shit nice, huh, Kenny?
What's going on, yo?
Woo. I'm at my boy Kenny's house. Yeah, this is
YouTube?
This is pulled out his 1J. Gonna clean up some wiring.
Man, the flashlight's dying.
All bad.
All bad. I got an extra battery. Let me know. Oh man.
Not bad.
Next
time.
Go. Miscellaneous shit.
A lot of miscellaneous shit.
There you go.
Hey, what's this kit called again?
Fine line tuning, 30 mil.
Overs, fine line tuning for sale. Let me know. Comment in the section below if you are interested.
Yeah, if you. We were supposed to do a gut video, but that didn't happen.
Hey, man.
Yeah, the toaster. Where's the toaster? That's what Eddie said.
Oh, right, damn, it's a whole Joan.
Tell him to wait. Go to gym leader.
Yeah. Stop, Eddie.
Yeah, FaceTime.
There you go.
We're calling you, Eddie.
Oh, talk to them too.
We're calling this.
Pick up.
Come on, Eddie. Oh my. He ain't gonna answer the phone, guys.
A few moments later.
Oh, here
Oh,
we go.
my.
Oh, saved it.
Saved. Alright, where you going?
Yeah.
No, I don't hear no rubbing. I was gonna come over. Poor connection.
Right? We got 3 bars Wi-Fi over here.
How long is that gonna take? Alright.
So there's 3 different knobs. This one, this one, and this one. So there's Rev 1, which is time. Rev 2 is switched, and you put it on pin E16. So pin right corner of E. So we're gonna go down.
Let's see what regret looks like.
Oh man.
Let's see if we can bribe him to get the rears for some extra cash.
Bro, those fenders are fresh, huh?
Low key. I'm jealous as fuck. I'm hella jealous, bro. They fucking sick, bro.
I wish you guys could see this, but this car is black.
Jesus, look at that shit, come on.
Shit's fresh, bro.
Oh yeah. Why am I rubbing so hard? I was thinking it'll rub away and fix itself since it's fiberglass.
No.
No, it'll just keep on rubbing out.
Yeah. That shit looks great.
Yeah, that shit looks fire, bro.
Okay, $200, bro. That's Eddie's. That's Eddie's
For some
offer.
tires.
What size tires are you looking for?
I know, what size tire should I run?
On that 9, a 215, 35 looked good on that 9. I like that.
215, 35?
Yeah. On that 8, if you're gonna rock it for now, you know, or even a 195, 35, that'd be even dope. They'd be cheap on fucking eBay all day. $60. 535 would be sick.
225, 40 would be too big, huh?
Yeah.
35 series, huh?
Yeah, bro. But those weak specs, you need 35s. There's 215 35s on the front, on an 8, so that's no stretch. If you want to stretch on an 8, you're gonna need a 195 at least. And then on a weak specs is And that is it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am gonna have a lot more content coming in. Just waiting for, a couple more parts, and we're gonna have a lot more fun. Just got the car. It's, starting to look pretty nice. Not to my liking yet, obviously, but it's getting there pretty quick. I love how it looks already. So I love the red. You guys seen the clips before this video ended? That was my old black car, So I'm trying to get it to, look similar to that, because that was my style, and I actually loved how that looked. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, hit the comment section. Don't forget that. Like, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video that comes up. Peace.